Now in a period and in a group, we see the properties of the element slowly changing. Okay, for example, in the whole periodic table, we see all metals on the left side, and slowly as we go down, we find that the metals get over here. Then you have metalloids along the zigzag line, and then you have non-metals. So gradually the trend changes from metals to metalloids to non-metals. Similarly, there are other trends which are also going to be studied in this lesson, and they are as follows. The trends that we will be seeing is the atomic size, atomic that is radius also, uh, valency, and metallic or non-metallic character. These three periodic trends we are going to see. Now, generally, you would assume that the size of the atom along with the atomic number, this hydrogen has atomic number 1, helium has atomic number 2, and therefore as we go to a higher atomic number, the size of the atom also should, naturally you would think, would increase. But let's look at a picture, and this is the picture here. So here, for example, this is hydrogen, and then you've got helium, right? And then you've got lithium, beryllium, boron, and so on. Now look, let's look at what's happening to the size of the atom as we go down from up to down. That means in a group, if we go from top to bottom, what is happening to the size of the atom? The size of the atom is increasing, as you can see, naturally, because here this has got only one shell. The second element, lithium, has got 2 shells. Then sodium has got 3 shells, 4 shells. So more the number of shells, automatically the size of the radius is going to go on increasing, and therefore in a group from top to bottom, the size of the atom will continuously go on becoming bigger. But what happens in a period? Now we know period means going from left to right, okay, in a row. So this is a period, and here you got lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, okay, and so on, right, till neon. And here you can see the size of the atom is reducing. Now what could be the reason? Now we know that in any period the electrons are being added to the same shell, because all these elements in the second period have just 2 shells. So electrons are successively being added to the same shell. Now as they keep getting added to the same shell, the size of the atom reduces, because the valence electrons, they are pulled by the nucleus towards the nucleus, and therefore since they are pulled, they get shrunk, and the atom size decreases from left to right. So okay, though we would assume that this over here, okay, neon should be larger, but no, in a period the size of the atom goes on reducing, whereas in a group they keep on increasing, right? So here I'll just give you an example. Of here you got hydrogen,